Hello everyone and welcome to Stay Tech. My name is Kyle and I make videos helping you get the most out of your technology. Apple recently released iOS 15 and at first glance it may not seem that revolutionary of an update, but look a little deeper and I think you'll see it contains a truly revolutionary feature: live text. Live text blurs the line between the real and digital world in a way that I don't think is easily appreciated. One thing to note before we dive in further though: live text requires Apple's A12 Bionic or later chip to work. This means you need an iPhone XS, XR, or newer to use this feature. More details for supported devices can be found in the description below. Why is this feature so revolutionary? Live text makes all text in the real and digital world available to be copied, manipulated, and shared in a way that has not been possible until now. Here are some powerful uses for live text that come to mind. What is that word on the menu? Point your camera at it, select the live text button, look it up, and now you know. No cumbersome typing, typos, or autocorrect getting in the way. Arrive to pick up your curbside order and the phone number is on the sign in front of you? Point your camera at the sign, select the live text button, and tap the phone number to call. Found some text you want to select on a website that isn't actually text but is an image? No problem. Just rest your finger on it for a second and drag to select it. Dang, that link in a post isn't selectable. Well, now it is. Take a screenshot and rest your finger on the text to select it. Now you can snag links from Instagram photo captions or grab a Twitter handle from your feed. Have some handwritten notes you want to digitize? Point your camera at the page or actually take a picture for improved accuracy. Select the live text button, select your writing, choose share, and then simply choose where you want to send it or save it. Per Apple, live text understands 7 different languages: English, Chinese, French, Italian, German, Portuguese, and Spanish. And with system-wide translation, you can simply tap and translate. This is so powerful. I recently got a keyboard where the English translation for a feature in the manual was, well, not as clear as it could have been. I was able to use live text in the Chinese version of the instructions and easily translate them to English for a bit better translation. Even for languages that are not supported, it can often identify the language being viewed. I hope this whets your appetite for the potential possibilities of live text. Text you encounter is no longer locked behind physical or digital barriers where you'd have to manually type it in ever again. If you can capture text in a photo or screenshot, you can use it anywhere, even if you don't speak the language. I know there are hundreds of uses for live text that I did not include. If you have a favorite, comment it below so others can try it out. I know I would personally love to see the creative ways others are using live text. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you'd like to see more videos like it, consider subscribing. Sharing this video with someone you think would appreciate it is probably the best way to help the channel. I have tons more videos in development, so subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.